Look at this guy. This guy's a trained Secret Service guy. Look. The gun's loaded. You never point a gun in someone's face. Look how he Look. Hey, he racks it. This is hilarious. I don't know why. Look. That's hilarious. Well, it's a mistake, obviously. You can't have that in this movie. This guy's he's a trained Secret Service guy, and he doesn't know how to rack a gun with safety. Look. You don't point a gun at someone. You can rack it. Just don't point it at someone. I can't stop watching this part. It's hilarious. Look.